Hello guys and welcome back to Same Channel. For today's video, we're going to talk about the We Digital. But before that, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment and review purposes only. So always do your own research before doing anything else because crypto has a risk. So without further ado guys, let's get into it. Okay guys, so this is the We Digital. Welcome to We Digital Decentralized Web3 DeFi EVM Engine in BNB Smart Chain, Ethereum Virtual Machine, and BEP20 Network. So We Digital is not just a platform, it's a global financial ecosystem built 100% on the blockchain. We was born with a clear purpose to democratize access to DeFi with maximum security, transparency, and automation. So the foundation of our technology, what is DeFi and how do we use smart contracts? The traditional finance market relies on banks, manager, and middleman. So 100% automation, this is our immutable cryptographic codes recorded on the blockchain, zero human intervention, and mathematical precision. So how does we digital profit in the real market? We own a 50 million liquidity pool operating within the giant pancake swap. Guys, so the gateway, Y-Gate or We Gateway, the liquidity portal, when you purchase a pancake from We Digital, your money doesn't get into a director's bank account. It's received by our official smart contract We Gateway. So you can check their automatic routing here. The financial engine, the pool, high caliber liquidity. This is the heart of our protocol where the magic of market happens. Your capital joins our global ecosystem to provide liquidity to pancake swap traders. So wealth distribution, we flow. So the fees 2% up to 4% generated in the pool are collected and managed by WeFlow, our smart distribution contract. So the Pancake Swap contract between We Digital and Pancake Swap in dual engine protocol has a plus 3% to 5% profit. Okay? So the tax income and transaction fee whenever swap USDT to BTCB. So deposit of 50 million in liquidity pool already has or begun between We Digital and PancakeSwap in dual engine protocol. We have two gateway liquidity pools, the PancakeSwap pool and the Profit pools or the profit bonus pool in WeFlow. The company fund, members fund going to PancakeSwap pool has a 50 million and 2 million on all bonuses will receive from the profit bonus pool. So your security first, decentralization is freedom. When investing in the We Digital protocol, your money is not under human custody. It goes direct to the smart contract being recorded, validated, and distributed automatically. It is verifiability and immutability, guys. This is the power of Web3. No one can touch your money and no one can turn off the system. So they also have the affiliate program here. We Digital DeFi condition 110 to 300% cap. Smart contract and ROI with 3.21% minimum deposit from 50 USDT. Minimum withdrawal from $0.1. Daily bonus will reflected from the next day. All reflected bonus will go to our own wallet immediately, guys. So Web3 DeFi with digital highlights, zero transaction fees, no need to press withdrawal button. All related bonuses will go through my own wallet, guys. Okay, so ROI daily bonus or 3.21%. We have a we contract from 1 to 8 and a max cap from 110% to 300% and the entry is $50 to $10,000 guys with the same daily bonus of 3.21%. So we ticket, the algorithm releases on 200 we tickets per day for the entire network. Early bird bonus up to $0.5 from Monday to Sunday. The qualification of We Digital official members of non-members, early bird will get $0.5 per day but only limit 200 tickets. So guys, direct indirect referral bonus up to 13%. From level 1 to level 12, you can get up to 7% to 0.2% referral bonus and unlock rule of 50 to 2,500 bonus, guys. So we leader Roy rank punching bonus. We have leader 1 with up to volume of 20k. The 2 has a 50k. We leader 3 volume of 150,000 and we leader 4 of 500,000 USD, guys. So the We Digital connection to the future of money, the liquidity pool is already active. The yield is growing with each new swap and the WeFlow algorithm is monitoring, guys. So we move together. Again, this is Crypto Hussein. If you want to learn more about this project, comment down below, like this video, share it to your friends. So again, this is Crypto Hussein. Bye-bye.